This is the unveiling of the Seiko Presage Automatik SPB041J1 automatic men watch from Seiko. It is that beautiful, beautiful dress watch. And let's see how it came in. Authentic Seiko. Let's see. All your documentation here. It's critical that you get the warranty information correct and you get the warranty card. So you can register the watch in case there's ever a problem. What do we have here? Seiko Presage. And it definitely has the right 6R27 mechanism, which is exactly, and there's a serial number in the back. And there it is, SPB041J1. Excellent, that's what you want in case there's ever an issue. Here's a serial number to the watch. And instruction already downloaded, the PDF to that. And that would be very easy to work with. Okay, let's get back to the main box. One of the things you have to keep an eye on getting fakes is a lot of deliveries are made without the proper boxing in the materials, and I've had to send a few back just because they're not the original. But this puppy is indeed an original. That looks excellent. You get the nice little pillow here. And just first blush, it looks absolutely brand new. The proper mechanisms up here. And we can start taking a lot of the paperwork off. It's got the beautiful Seiko clasp, which is just absolutely divine. You can always tell a JDM watch, which is a Japan domestic model only. And those are processed and manufactured separately than the commercial Seiko watches. And if you're a fan like I am of Seiko, you definitely have an appreciation for what's made in Japan for Japan use only. So you pay a little premium. And this puppy is not cheap either. It retails for $1,179 on Amazon, which is how I bought it. And they really did seal this sucker properly. So we're going to use a ceramic knife. Make sure that we don't scratch any surface of material. Absolutely beautiful craftsmanship. Wow, it's still got layers of materials here. That's definitely something you have to credit Seiko with. They go through a lot of detail in their fabrication. So when you gather something from the factory, you know it's from the factory, not a reprocessor or a third-party vendor. There's a beautiful calfskin wristband. It makes a difference. It really does. I've always wanted a proper dress watch. I've been a fan of Seiko for a long, long time, but this is the very first extravagant purchase, if you will, that I've ever made. watch. And I'm very, very pleased with the way it's turning out, although it's quite the headache. To unveil. I certainly don't want to scratch it. Again, ceramic knife, always a good thing. I think they must have shrink wrapped it. I think this is there we go. So there you are. There's a beautiful timepiece. And I don't know if you can see in the reflection of the blue dial, the craftsmanship and bluing the hand dials is just stunning. And here's the mechanism. Make sure that, yep, there's a 6R27B, and that's a 29 jewel movement. Again, for JDM, Japanese domestic model only. Absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship on it is accurate. Yep. All the serial numbers up here match. Absolutely beautiful. Yep, there's a serial number up here. I should take a little cloth to it and clean it just a little bit. I'm sure my grubby paws didn't help. And sometimes when you buy a watch, especially in the web, you want to make sure that it's never been processed and returned and so forth. And there's something unique about the way that it's packaged in the factory that gives you a sense of confidence, regardless of the documentation. It is, in fact, a unique and genuine watch. And this one is absolutely beautiful. And you can see that the power meter on the left here indicates that it's 0. And then you have the date calendar on the bottom, which you can reset, and there's that gorgeous red 12 at the top, classic to old models of Seiko. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's see if we can find the exact time. And there's a site that I like to use, which is the NIST official time. In fact, you can look at it right there, and you can see that it's censored to the atomic clock. So let's see, the first thing I want to do, one click over, we'll set the time, say it around, first let's get the date on it. And the winding mechanism is absolutely beautiful. So the first position, there we go. And today is the 24th. So we have to do the reverse turn. which is easy enough. So great. Now second position. Do the time. It's 2:14. You see it skipped, so we go back, pull, back to 24th, and now we'll cycle, because that would be morning. Now we cycle all the way to the afternoon, which is right, so it's 2:15. So let's make it 2:16. And wait. And now we wind it. And it takes about, I think, 20 or so. And you can see on the left that it's just winding ever so beautifully. In the first couple of turns, it's getting stiffer, so I don't want it to get too wound. I'll just do it for a limited time. There's that wonderful mechanism. You can see the spring. Outstanding. Just a craftsmanship. The mark, it's got that beautiful Seiko crown with the signature S on it. Beautiful crocodile leather. Well, it feels like calfskin. It's soft and subtle. It's not harsh at all. And then the beautiful Seiko clasp. That will take off and we'll wear, finally, a dress watch. And again, that beautiful blue patina. Normally it's black and white, but if you get it at the right angle and it's a sunny day today, you can see it's absolutely stunning. I hope you've enjoyed this unveiling as much as I have. I'm going to enjoy this watch tremendously. I've been wanting to get this for many years, and I'm glad I finally purchased it. Thanks for watching.